Okay, so another wonderful episode and another wonderful guest that I'll be having today. I had the opportunity to meet her in the last summer of 2023 because we had a convention for our online community. And this coach actually, she's somebody that I really wanted to meet personally because she lives from the far end of Canada. Andito ako sa kabilang end. And we've been really collaborating and helping each other out during the entire journey, our entire journey in this business. And so I really have the privilege of having her here on my episode, on my talk, on my live series interview with successful business owners now. I'm just really hoping I'm live. I think I'm live. Okay. All right. So without further ado, I'd like to call on Coach Charmaine and let us welcome her. And if you're watching this live, let us know where you're coming from so we can say hi to you. And she's going to introduce herself. Come on in, Coach Sha. Okay.
Okay, I'm not
Yes.
mute anymore. Okay,
No.
hello, everyone. Good morning, Coach. I know it's morning for you, but it's
Yes.
afternoon for me.
Good
So good
afternoon, Coach.
afternoon.
Yes.
Yeah, and good evening, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be watching right now. We are global. So, my name is Charmaine. I am originally from South Cotabato, Philippines, but now I have been here in Canada for almost 25 years. And yeah, I guess, yeah, everything that Coach Gaya had said is true. We met personally, but before we met, we have been collaborating online.
Yes.
And we met summer of 2023 when we had the convention in Alberta. And it was nice meeting you. And by the way, belated happy birthday. It was your birthday a few days ago.
Thank
And
you.
to introduce myself, I am a wife and a very busy mom. I call myself Moober because I'm a mom Uber to four very busy children. So yeah, that's me. And I'll tell you more in a few more minutes.
All right. So, what led you to starting your online business? Paano mo to nakita? And why did you say yes to this kind of business? And do you have any background in this one before? Can you share us about that, Coach?
Yeah. Honestly, I saw this business in 2018 and I was very intrigued. I wanted to do it, but of course, it was something new for me. And I am not very tech savvy. So, naisip ko, gusto ko to, pero alam mo yung marami kang question sa utak mo. Actually, nag-reach out na ako sa isang tao na nakita ko yung ad niya. And she answered all my questions. Mabait siya, Pilipino din. Pero, alam mo yung parang meron ka pa ring takot kasi hindi mo
Oh, yes.
kilala. At saka
Mm-mm.
online. When you say online, kasi noon, iniisip ko, nako, baka, ano to, baka scam tayo. So,
Correct.
hindi ko tinuloy and eventually, 18 months after that, nakita ko yung friend ko sa California. She's a successful physical therapist. Sabi ko, why is she doing this? Parang ganun din. So, tinanong ko siya. Then she told me about it. Pero kahit nakilala ko, ang dami ko pa rin excuses. But you know what, Coach? I've been praying for something, for an opportunity that I could do na earning money while spending more time with my kids. I think kaya pinakita ni Lord sa akin noon na
Yeah.
itong business na to na dumaan sa newsfeed ko
Speed
kasi
mo.
he knew it would be good for me. Pero alam mo yun, kahit nagpipray tayo, marami pa rin tayong mga questions. So that time, yung
True.
friend ko, she reached out to me. Sabi ko, okay, gawin ko to pero kinakabahan pa rin ako. I waited another 3 months bago ko
Oh,
talaga sinabi na, okay, I will
this
just
is
go
it.
in. And
Yeah.
if it's not for me, then, you know, I have nothing to lose naman. So just
That's right.
register. So nag-register
Mm-hmm.
ako. And yeah, that's how I joined. So I
So
did not
ilang
decide
years
right
na,
away.
basically ilang
Mhm.
years ka na coach na nandito sa ano?
So 2019 ako nag-start.
Mm-hmm.
So almost 6 years na ako, no? Almost 6 years. So I started in 2019, end of 2019. But you know what's so
20,
funny?
yeah, okay.
Nung after 3 months, I decided to quit my very very stable job. I used to work for the provincial healthcare sector. I've been there for almost 15 years. So
Mm-hmm.
maganda sweldo, maganda ang pension, maganda
Benefits,
ang
lahat.
benefits. But you know what? Nothing could beat time for family, and that's what I was lacking before. Kung meron
Yeah.
man akong time na ibubuhos ko sa mga anak ko, nasasakripisyo yung time ko sa sarili ko. So nagkakasakit ako, lagi ako nagkakasakit noon. So I
Mm-hmm.
thought, oh, this is maybe I'll try this. And
Yeah.
after 3 months, I decided, oh, I can quit. So,
Nice.
yun
So,
nga.
kasi when they hear somebody like quitting sa business, parang it's too good to be true. So, when
Yes.
you were starting, how did you balance niyan? Just so magka-idea yung mga tao on how pag nagsisimula pa lang sa business, how do you balance yung work mo pa noon to transitioning sa bagong venture na hindi ka pa masyadong
Familiar.
kabisado or wala ka pang idea on how to run. How did you do that when you were starting pa?
Yeah. You know what? How did I do that? Hindi, now I cannot imagine how I did that. Kasi nung
Hmm.
nag-umpisa ako, as I was saying, I had a full-time job. So I was working all day. Pagdating ko sa bahay, my four kids are very active. So they have
Yes.
multiple activities. So I have to take care of them. Pagdating ko sa
Decided,
bahay,
oh, I can quit.
kain,
Mm-hmm.
then drive around. Kasi apat
Yes.
sila, ida-drive ko around for their
Uh-huh.
activities. And then pagdating ko sa bahay, tama lang na paliguan sila, maligo ako, magpapahinga. But you know what? Kasi I cannot do, because we have a training, right? We
Mm-hmm.
can train at our own pace sa business na to. So
Right.
I cannot log into the training kasi pagod na din ako. Pag pinapatulog ko sila, minsan nauuna pa ako natutulog kesa sa
Napagod.
kanila. So
Yes.
sobrang pagod. But I make sure that I set my alarm clock to 3
Mm-hmm.
o'clock in the morning. So
Oh, wow.
for 3 weeks, I did that. Ang tulog
Wow.
ko lang minsan is 3 to 4 days. But you know what? That was me because hindi rin ako masyadong I was so excited. I was so
Mm-hmm.
fired up. I wanted to learn as much as I can. So for 3 weeks, ganun ako, konti lang tulog ko. Minsan papasok ako sa trabaho ko, yung mga coworker ko, tinatanong ako para akong zombie. But it
Mm-hmm.
was okay. It was all worth it. So
Mm-hmm.
every 3 o'clock, gigising ako. I trained. I learned so much in the business in those 3 weeks. And ganyan lang naman eh. Pag gusto mo, may
May
paraan.
paraan.
Di
Yeah.
ba? Eh, gusto ko. Kaya gumawa ako ng paraan.
Yeah. At saka initially, when you were starting talaga sa business, paglalaanan mo muna siya ng konting
Mhm.
time before so
Mhm.
that it will run smoothly later on. So a little bit of the sacrifice in the beginning so that
Mhm.
later on mas smooth na siya, lalo if you're a busy parent. So
Yes.
having said that, the challenges and you're overcoming the obstacles, what were some of the biggest challenge that you faced when you were starting this business?
Okay, so ito challenge ito, pero ito din ang nagustuhan ko sa business na to. Kasi when I started the business, not even my family knew. Kasi I don't
Mm.
want to start a business where I have to tell people na kasi akala nila nagre-recruit ka, oy, ito,
Yes.
lalapit to, may ibebenta na naman to sa akin. So that's why I fell in love with this business kasi I don't have to do that. I don't have to make sales. I don't have to recruit. I just have, di ba? We just have to learn how to make ads and then we just do ads. So when I
Yes.
started, even my husband, he didn't know. Kasi ayokong sabihin sa kanya kasi alam ko naman eh, sasabihin niya, baka scam. Which is valid naman. So
Yes.
ayoko nang pag-awayan yon. So I just did it on my own. And then eventually naman, after several months, nagtataka siya, ba't ang dami kong pera? Bakit ang dami ko laging cheque sa envelope, which is, ano, 'di ba? So, yeah, yung pinaka-challenge ko is, my family didn't know, my friends didn't
Mm-hmm.
know, pero
Mm-hmm.
yan din yung nakaka-inlove sa business na to. Kasi you don't have to chase your family, you don't have to chase your friends, you don't have to bug people to do this business. Kaya it was
Right.
a challenge, but it was also a gift.
That's nice. So,
Mhm.
was there ever a time that you thought of, quitting or, oh, maybe this is not for me? what kept you going? Kasi nandito ka pa rin ngayon and you're so successful already. What were those? Was
Really,
there a time
I
you felt that?
I never had that feeling. Kasi ang dami kong ginawa noon kasi you're a mom, kailangan mo ng extra kahit may full-time job ka. 'Di ba dito sa Canada, you always need to have an extra kasi hindi lang naman mortgage ang binabayaran mo. You have insurances, life insurance, you have car insurance, groceries, utilities. Ang daming binabayaran. May mga car loans pa, 'di ba?
Yes.
Which is, I'm so happy right now. Wala ng car loan because of this
Yes.
business. Pero, um, yeah, I can never say na nagregret ako. Wala talaga, not even a
Mm-hmm.
second. Because I love this business so much, and yun na nga, 'di ba, napag-usapan natin kanina. Because of this business, I was able to quit my job.
Yes.
And by the way, you don't have to quit your job if you like it so much. But for me, having a job kasi, you have to ask for vacation leave. Minsan hindi ka papayagan, and then your family revolves around your schedule.
Your
It
schedule.
shouldn't, for me, it shouldn't be like that. I have to call the shots kasi pag gusto kong ay mag ano tayo, mag like in the summer, mag-camping tayo. Tapos parang ang saya-saya sa campsite. Parang ayoko munang bumalik, ayoko munang magtrabaho. But if you have a job, kasi 'di ba, you have to go back
Patali
kahit
ka.
hindi mo gusto. Oo.
Yeah.
Tsaka pag nagbakasyon sa Pilipinas, I was never able to do it na magbakasyon more than 4 weeks. Yung 4 weeks nga, ano pa yun, maraming negotiation pa yun sa
Yes.
manager, 'di ba?
Mm-hmm.
So, but now, kahit kailan mo gustong magbakasyon, that's what I love, especially if you have a family. And then, mas nakakatulong tayo sa pamilya natin sa Pilipinas. And, yeah, yun, nakapag-business ako because in this business, you don't have to put in so much time. Once you start your day sa umaga, gagawa ka ng post, you don't always have to do ads because the ads keep running, right?
Yes.
24/7, may business ka. Then what do you do? Nung nag-umpisa ako, yung bunso ko is wala pa sa school. Ngayon, apat sila full-time school. Minsan naboboard ako. So anong ginawa ko? Nag-aral ako ulit. So I had a time to go back to school and did something I was passionate about. Ito ha, hindi ko pala nasabi sa iba to, pero I'm going to tell you this. Nung nag-employee ako, nung nagtatrabaho ako, yes, maganda ang sweldo, pero nauubos lahat sa gastusin sa bahay.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes I would go to the mall and I would see salons or medical spas, and I would just look at the prices, parang I cannot afford. I think
Mm-hmm.
this is one of the businesses that I opened because nung empleyado ako, I can't afford to have laser hair removal. Gustong-gusto ko yan. Balbon ako eh. So, gustong-gusto ko yun. Pero iniisip ko wala akong budget. After doing this business, hindi lang ako nag-aral to do that, but I was also able to afford yung bagay na gusto kong gawin for service noon. Now, I was able to afford that laser machine. Hindi lang ako nagpapa-laser, binili ko yung machine. And I am so thankful for this business kasi without that, siguro hanggang ngayon naglalaway pa rin ako pag pupunta ako ng mall.
Tumatay yung balahibo ko kasi yan ang next kong tatanong sa'yo. Yung
Mhm.
transformation because of this business, yun na nga sinabi mo, because of this business, you're able to do the thing that you're really passionate about. So,
Mhm.
tell us kung paano pa, into more details na pwede mong i-share, Coach, siya,
Mhm.
kung paano mo na-open yung bago mo pang venture because of this business, aside from what you shared already. And how
Mhm.
thankful are you kasi nakita mo to and yung baga, nagkaroon ka pa ng more basket of income apart from
Mhm.
itong business na to.
Yeah, so etong business kasi natin, we are earning passive income, right? So, like what I've said earlier, 24/7, we have a business that does not only run locally, but globally. So, my husband, he's been also in the business, pero traditional business yung kanya. It's a brick and
Mm-hmm.
mortar business. So, he has a uniforms business like yung retail scrubs for nurses, doctors,
Mm-hmm.
mga medical healthcare workers. So he had that for since 2008 na business. And we are renting a portion of a building for that business. So when yung landlord after pandemic nagtaasan yung mga presyo ng mga rent. And yung landlord namin sinabi na 26% ang i-increase niya. Nagulat kami kasi parang yeah, that's a lot of money na increase. So sabi namin nako, alis tayo dito. So naghanap kami and all the rental properties napakamahal. Talagang nagtaasan. So I'm so glad na meron tayong ganitong business because we are not constrained with money that much, right? So yeah, minsan kasi kailangan may mga gastos din. But you know, you are financially stable that you can decide na nung nakakita kami ng building na maganda, malapit din sa dati naming nirerentahan, we decided to purchase it. If I was still an employee, I don't think we will be able to do that. And I don't think na, especially pag business owner ka, sinasabi nila is, yung income is, 'di ba, parang minsan mataas, minsan,
Yeah.
but our business is so consistent. I'm just thankful that our business has been so consistent. Since day one na nag-join ako, hindi talaga na zero. So, I always have, kahit nga minsan nagigilty ako kasi parang, wala akong masyadong ginawa, but this is the business that really gives, like very generous. Kaya
Charities.
that's why, I never, 1 second na nag-isip ako na I regretted doing this business because it's always generous, all, very giving. Kaya we were able to afford that building. I was able to, so naka-transition yung husband ko from rental to ano na kami,
Owning one.
owner na kami nung building. And then ako naman, nag-aral-aral ako initially nung no, yung aesthetics ko only for myself and for my kids. Kasi nga noon, hindi ko afford. Ngayon, okay, afford ko na. Pero what are we going to do with the other spaces that's there? Naisip namin to rent it out. Another
Mm-hmm.
stream of income. But we were thinking, hindi naman handyman ang asawa ko. At pag sinira lang ng magre-rent, baka,
Gastos
mapapagastos
din.
kami. So I
Yes.
decided, okay, I'll just do that. And it's good kasi I was able to help other Filipinos. So I was able to hire
Oh,
part-time,
nice.
yeah, 3 Filipinos. So you give back.
Right. So, gusto
Mm-hmm.
ko yun, coach, from ang mahal ng rent, 26% i-hike up ang rent. You
Mm-hmm.
can't afford it, but bilhin ko na lang yung building na yun.
Yeah, yeah,
Gusto
yeah.
ko yun. Yeah. So, I like that transformation and I hope that people can see kung paano yung mga possibility if you really dedicate yourself sa business na to. Ano yung pwedeng ibigay sa'yo? Kasi I agree with you, coach. It's always giving back no matter what. As long as you
Mm-hmm.
don't quit and you
Mm-hmm.
stay there, it will really keep on, you know, giving back to you. And I really like that. So,
Yes.
with that, what are the strategies that you have been using that help you grow the business? Kasi you have 4 kids, you're a very busy mom, and you're like, if you will look at her um Facebook account, her kids are really active. That is so true. How do you like? What are the strategies that you have been doing to grow your business? And busy ka, especially now that you also have this another business that you're
Mm-hmm.
managing. How do you?
Mm-hmm.
What are your strategies that you do?
Yeah, so madali. Oh my gosh, kasi oh my goodness, kung alam lang nila ang alam natin, coach, I really wish that people would check us out kasi um we have already a system that's in place, so we don't have to create another system. So we have a system in place na automated na siya. You just follow the steps sa training, and then you just, parang yun nga, minsan sinasabi ko parang IKEA, do it yourself na lamesa.
Mm-hmm.
Sasabihin sa'yo, do this, do that, okay, nakagawa ka ng lamesa. That's the same with our business. They tell us, okay, this is the steps. May videos. Pag sasabihin mong I'm not technical, I wasn't technical. I don't know anything about technology when I started. My whole life, I have been in the healthcare industry, just like you, I think, coach, right? So wala tayong mga background sa mga computer na yan. But the training is very user-friendly. The training is very, very simple. You just have to dedicate time to learn. Kasi just like any other, ano naman tayo, pag nag-aral tayo, you're a nurse coach, right? And ako, I was a physical therapist in the Philippines. Hindi tayo naging nurse or naging PT in just 1 year. We have to study. So we really have to study how to become good digital marketers. And that's what I love about this business kasi we have a very good training site. We have a very good global community. Minsan nga natatawa ako kasi, you have a coaching call, for example, in Italy, tapos yung mga papers nila doon is in Italian. How would
Yeah.
I understand this?
Yeah.
Right? So, there's somebody in the community because we're global. Kahit siguro Timbuktu, meron
Yeah.
tayo doon. We are so global that if you need help, there's somebody to help you. So,
Totoo.
madali ang trabaho because everything is set up for us. And it's automated. Kahit natutulog tayo, our business is running. And yeah, the strategies that I just use, especially when I started, kasi I didn't even want to tell my husband, right? I didn't want to
Mm-hmm.
tell any of my siblings. I didn't want to tell friends about my business. Is yung ginawa ko lang talaga is kung ano nandun sa training na gumawa ng ads.
As
I
is.
didn't know I didn't know how to make ads when I started. I never do ads, pero
Mm.
the instructions are there, so you just have
Mm.
to follow it.
Yeah. So very
Mhm.
user-friendly siya actually. So
Mhm.
when you were starting and up hanggang ngayon, what are the mindset shifts on your mindset that you did, or the necessary things that you change as a point of view of from being an employee to now as a business owner, and marami ka ng business na mina-manage right now because of this
Mhm.
online business. Ano yung mga naging
Yeah.
shift sa mindset mo?
Ah, ang nag-shift sa mindset ko, ano ba yung sinasabi nila na there are three kinds of people: those who watch what happens, um those who make things happen, those who watch what happens, and then those who are wondering what happened.
Mm,
So, yun lang naman sabi ko sa isip ko, I have to do things. I have to be the player. I don't want to be the audience. I don't
mm,
want to wonder what happened. I have to be where the action is. Kaya, yun lang. Ang mindset ko lang is kahit na sa bagong business ko ngayon because of this business, ang mindset ko lang talaga is just do it. Whatever you are passionate about, just do it. Kasi I always go back to yung favorite ko talaga na story to eh. Yung story ni Peter na when Jesus told him to cast. Sabi niya, eh Lord, the whole night na akong nagtapon eh.
mm,
Pero wala pa rin akong nakukuha. Just tapon mo lang ulit yung net mo. So, uh, kahit na anong pray natin, if we are not working, kasi si Peter, he was working and working, walang nangyari. He asked Jesus, and Jesus said, okay, itapon mo. And bakit hindi na lang sinabi ni Jesus, ginawa ni Jesus na the whole night na itong nagtatrabaho, hindi ko pa rin binigay yung isda. But no, we pray, we also act. That's
yeah.
the same with yung the wedding feast in Cana na um, sinabi pa ni Mary, nakikita naman siguro ni Jesus yon na wala ng wine. Sinabi ni Mary kay Jesus na naubusan sila ng wine. Pwede namang sabihin ni Jesus na, okay, pupunuin ko ng
Yun na.
wine
Mhm,
yung mga jars. But he told the people, fill the jars with water. Pwede niya namang gawin na, okay, lagyan niyo. But it doesn't work like that. We have
mhm,
to take action so that kagaya ng, di ba kasabihan sa atin, nasa tao ang gawa, nasa Diyos ang
mhm,
awa. It
mhm.
always has to come together.
Yes.
Action and prayer.
Yes. Faith
Yeah.
plus action, may
Yes,
resulta.
yes.
Hindi yung naghihintay ka na lang. So I love that
Oo.
message.
Yeah.
I love that. So ano yung
Mhm.
pinakamagandang advice mo that you can give to like other moms out there to who wants to try this one kaya lang they're so scared to start? What advice can you give them if they want to start a business like this?
Yeah. Just like sa experience ko, it's not easy. I understand kasi siguro makikita nila to
Yes.
sa feed nila. It's not easy to decide right away, just like with me. It took me almost 2 years to decide. Pero alam nyo, simple lang talaga. Just do it. Kasi if you don't do it, you would never know what's gonna happen to you, what changes in your life could happen to you, how would I, I cannot imagine for myself na I would retire so early. I retired at 45. So 5 years ago, I retired. Now I'm 50. Golden girl. So
Yay!
So, I retired at 45. Ang prayer ko lang noon kasi dito sa Canada, 'di ba, retiring age is 65. Prayer ko
Yes,
lang talaga noon is makapag-retire ng 55 kasi I still want to travel. I really want to travel the world. Mahilig ako mag-travel before I got married, nagta-travel ako. But nagkaanak, so
mm,
limitado na yung mga travels.
correct.
And so sabi ko ayoko namang mag-retire na naka-wheelchair ako o meron na akong baston, right?
Yes,
So sabi ko I want to retire at 55, but God is great. He retired me at 45. So if you don't do it, if you don't take action, walang
it will not
mangyayari. You will be
happen.
stuck. Nothing changes if nothing changes. Yun
That's
lang
right.
naman.
Can you imagine like a mom here retired early, like ang retireable age, like you said, is 65, pero like years earlier, you were able to achieve that because of this business and because you were not afraid to try. Kasi wala
Mhm.
nga mababago kung hindi mo susubukan. Wala. Hindi mo
Mhm. Yeah.
malalamang hindi para sa'yo ito. So, yan. I'm glad. Tapos na tayo sa very, very uh, heavy topics and very
Mhm.
informative topics from you, coach. Let's go on the light ones. I call it the rapid fire mompreneur edition. Okay. So if you could give me one word to describe your
Mhm.
entrepreneurial journey, what would it be and why?
Freedom.
Freedom. Can you share a little bit why freedom?
Freedom kasi since I did this business, I had the freedom of time. Um, nung bago-bago pa lang talaga is I was so excited because I feel like since I graduated college, talagang nagtrabaho na ako ng nagtrabaho na lang. So I didn't have that freedom.
Mm-hmm.
Although nung single ako, nakakapag travel naman ako, nag-travel ako sa Europe on weekends, on long weekends, pero or mga bakasyon, pero not really like something na pagising mo sa umaga, wala nang alarm clock. Pagising mo sa umaga, gigising ka lang dahil kailangan mong gumising. And then
Correct.
if I want to go someplace like, I am free to go anywhere. Wala akong pagpapaalaman na boss. And the money comes with it too. So hindi ka naman pwedeng mag-travel, hindi ka naman pwedeng maglakwatsa kahit na Niagara Falls lang. Hindi ka pwedeng
Mm-hmm.
pumunta doon na wala ka namang budget, 'di ba? So
Totoo.
it's this business has given that time and
Yeah.
financial freedom.
Sa totoo lang, ang mahal ng freedom ngayon, ha? Sa totoo lang. Kung
Totoo.
employee, ang hirap ma-achieve nun. I don't think
Ay,
ma-achieve mo yun until mag-retire ka. So maganda yan. I like that word. Freedom.
yeah.
Okay. Your favorite way to unwind after a long day.
Playing Uno with my kids.
Yay, ganda. Saya nga nun.
They love Uno.
Ang ganda yun kasi nagbabond pa kayo. Marami ka ng oras para mag-bond with your kids. Now, if
Yeah.
you had an extra hour in a day, what would you do?
Extra hour in a day, I would go to the gym. Kasi parang hindi ako makakapunta ng gym. Siguro din tinatamad ako kasi malamig. But I really want to go to the gym, exercise.
Okay. Maganda yon. At least hindi ka lang financially healthy, spiritual healthy, physically healthy pa. Okay. So
Mhm.
ito gusto ko to. Imagine yourself 5 years from now. What does your life look like? What message could you give your future self 5 years from now?
The message I would give to my future self 5 years from now. Siguro, good job, Charmaine. You were never scared. You just did whatever you wanted to do. Siyempre man, calculated risks.
Mm-hmm.
But with prayers, anything is uncertain, 'di ba? So kahit anong gawin natin, kahit pagtawid minsan very uncertain 'yan kasi minsan may mga tarantadong driver,
Yes,
mababanggaan ka, but you know what?
totoo.
Yeah. Yeah, I just did it, and of course, prayers. Laging samahan ng prayers kung kahit ano man ang gawin natin, kahit na mga nakakatakot na gawain na pero gustong-gusto natin. And don't for yeah, you dream big, Charmaine, and you did it. So,
I
yeah,
love that.
yun.
Love that. Yan. Thank you so much, Coach. I know you're very busy, but ikaw talaga nasa listahan ko rin
Oh, thank
to
you.
do this live series episode. So I'm really happy that I'm able to do this with you again. And I'm happy that I got to meet you personally with Cody.
Yes,
See, that was
yes,
Cody, right?
yes.
That time, right? That was Cody.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes, so
yeah.
I'm
Si
really
Cody.
happy.
Yeah,
I'm
Cody
really
is also a
happy.
digital business owner, guys.
Yes.
So,
He's one of the
you don't.
youngest, I believe,
Yes, yes. He
nakasama.
started on the day he turned 18.
18,
Kasi
yes.
18, you have to be 18 to start this. But he wanted to join nung high school niya. Kasi tinanong ko siya nung graduation, naku, matatagalan tayo. Napaka ano ko talaga. Pero this is a good story kasi.
Go
My
ahead,
son,
coach.
who's my eldest, when he graduated high school, sabi ko sa kanya, "Oh, ano nang gagawin mo? Yung mga kaklase mo nagtatrabaho na, merong McDonald's, Wendy's." Sabi ko, "Mag-apply ka na din." Sabi ko sa kanya. I never thought that he was observing me. Sabi niya, "But mom, I don't want to do those things." Sabi ko, "So what are you going to do?" Kasi yun lang naman naisip ko na ginagawa ng mga ka-age niya. Sabi
Mm-hmm.
niya, "I want to do something that you are doing." Sabi ko, "Ha? Gusto mong maging digital business owner?" Sabi niya, "Yeah, because you get to spend time with us, and then you're earning money and you're just home, and even when we travel you're earning kahit nasa Pilipinas kami, 'di ba?" So sabi ko, "Okay, then you can join yet kasi you have to be 18."
Yes.
Nung nag-graduate siya, 17 siya. So naghintay siya on the day of his 18th birthday.
Galing.
Yun, sinabi niya, yun yung gift ko sa kanya. Sabi niya,
No,
oo, sabi niya, "Okay, I wanna join." So, yun, he joined the
galing.
business and now he's getting money. Yun ang nakakatawa minsan kasi he's living in an apartment right now closer to his school, right?
Mm-hmm.
Kasi nasa college na siya. Pag
Mm-hmm.
minsan wala pa siya dito, sinasabi ko, "Oy, may cheque ka." Sabi niya, "Saan galing?" Oo, lagi niya, "Saan galing?" Tapos sabi ko, basta andito sa bahay." Sabi niya, "Magkano?" Sabi ko, "I don't open your mail." And then sabi niya, "Mom, I feel guilty." Sabi ko, "Why?" Sabi niya, "Because I don't feel like I'm doing much and then I'm earning." Sabi ko, "That's the beauty of digital marketing business."
Kung alam lang nilang lahat.
Oo, kung alam lang nila lahat, if they only know oh my gosh, how
Yes.
wonderful it is.
Mm-hmm. Kaya nga ito sabi nila is it's working smartly and it's really true. Kasi
Yeah,
Cody is in college, he's busy in his school, but he's still earning. And I
yeah,
believe na magandang start yan para sa kanya. And I'm so
yes.
happy na may mga batang ganyan ngayon, iba na yung
Mm-hmm.
mag-isip. Kasi,
Mm-hmm.
well, like, technically in school we are trained and taught how to be an employee, di ba? To serve our
Yes.
employers in the future.
Mm-hmm.
But now na iba
Mm-hmm.
na yung mga perspective ng mga kabataan. I'm really happy na may mga
Yeah,
ganyan na. I'm not sure if
yeah.
it was Cody that you were sharing noon in our one of our masterminds
Mhm.
and I was really crying. I'm not sure if that was Cody. Siya ba yung kwento na hindi ka nakasama sa hockey game or something?
Yes, yes. Yeah, it
Siya,
was
okay.
him. Siya at saka
Okay.
yung pangalawa ko, yung oldest daughter ko, kasi siya lang naman yung lalaki ko. So yung pangalawa ko is a girl. So dalawa sila, ito pala talaga, yung nag-struck sa akin na bakit hindi ko subukan ng business na to? Kasi they qualified to compete in Ireland. Tapos, alam mo, wala kaming extra money for them to, kasi sila they're okay pero kailangan may kasama. I cannot go.
Mm-mm.
Wala kaming, only one person can go. So ang husband ko kasi he only does the same sport. So mas nakakaintindi siya. So siya ang sumama, but we have to pay for the hotel, for his airfare. So pinagtinda ko mga anak ko, if you really want to go to Ireland and compete, nagtinda sila ng chocolates as fundraising. At nung time na yon, gustong-gusto kong sumama. Uy, ayan, naiiyak na naman ako. Gustong-gusto kong
Mm.
sumama. Hindi ako makasama because we were short of funds. So,
Mm-mm.
nag-compete sila doon. Okay na. And then they won. Both of them won the gold medal
Mm.
sa jiu-jitsu. And it
Uy.
was like the world, like parang World Cup for kids. It was Pan Kids, Europans ng
Mhm.
jiu-jitsu. And they won. And then wala ako doon. Sabi ko, I
Mm.
don't want this to happen again. Kaya
Yeah.
nung next nilang nag-compete sila ulit sa PAN, which was held in Florida naman,
Mhm.
nandun na ako. I made sure I will be there.
Yeah, hindi ko kasi
Digital business
makalimutan
owner
yung
na ako
kwento
nun.
na yan. Yung kwento mo yan, Diyos ko, katabi ko ata yung tissue box. Talagang, coming from a mother to a mother, talagang it
Yeah.
is really something that yung mga bagay na pag na tapos na eh. Hindi mo na
Yeah.
mababalikan. So, your
Yes.
story,
Yes.
coach, ngayon ko lang ata sasabihin, yun
Mhm.
talaga I really want to meet this person. Yun
Oo.
yung isa sa mga gusto ko talaga siyang ma-meet. Kasi makikita mo yung
Mhm,
sincerity mo na hindi,
mhm,
mas malalim yung rason mo why you really started this kind of
mhm,
business. Kasi
mhm.
yung iba kasi is for extra income lang.
Oo,
At
oo.
marami sa atin, kaya talagang pinag-iigihan sa business, it's because mas malalim yung pinanghuhugutan natin why
Mhm,
we really wanted this business to flourish,
mhm,
no matter what
mhm,
people say. Because people outside, they don't have any idea what we're doing. So I'm
mhm,
really happy to work with people like you, a mom like you na mataas ang
mhm,
ambisyon, not only for themselves, but para sa family talaga,
mhm.
and to be with the family, with the kids while they are growing up and not missing any kind of activities like this,
Yes.
it's really priceless and it's really
Mhm,
worth it. Like we can
mhm,
have a job that would pay us six figures. Why not? Sure.
mhm,
But if
mhm,
you miss the biggest milestone, kagaya niyan, ang
mhm,
ganyan, ito yung masakit sa heart eh. Kasi
mhm, mhm.
andun dapat ako eh. Ako dapat
Oo.
nandoon din eh. Parang
Oo.
dapat family victory yun, hindi lang
Mhm,
siya. So,
mhm,
yun,
mhm,
isa sa mga kwento mo talagang hindi ko makakalimutan and that
mhm,
really struck me from the heart na sabi ko, okay, so I'm really on the right path. Kasi
mhm,
I was I think bago-bago pa tayo sa business noon. So
mhm,
sabi ko nasa tamang ano ako, nasa tamang
mhm,
journey ako and I will make sure that parang when the time comes na malaki ng mga anak ko and may activity din silang ganun, I will be there too. Kasi yun
yeah.
talaga yung sinabi mo na the next activity, I will be there and you
Mhm,
made that happen. And it's all
mhm.
because you said yes to this decision, to this
Yes.
activity, to this business, I should say. So
Yes.
I'm glad. And
Mhm.
thank you, Coach Charmaine. I know you're very
You're
busy. Teka,
welcome.
invite natin yung mga tao habang dito tayo sa Toronto area, nasan yung ano mo,
Mhm.
yung bagong business ngayon para maniwala silang you're a real
Oh,
person. Yeah.
okay.
Sabihin
Yeah,
natin
pwede
kung
nilang
nasaan yan.
i-Google search. The name of my new business is Tres Marias Skin and Aesthetics because I did this for my Tres Marias. I have three girls, my pimples, kaya ako ginawa ito. So ngayon wala na silang pimples. So Tres Marias Skin and Aesthetics, we are located in downtown Whitby, or if hindi nyo mahanap, just Google the Purple
I-google nyo
House
yan.
in Whitby. That's the only purple
Oh,
building in
really?
Whitby. Yeah.
Oh, so ayan pala ang landmark. So if you happen to go at
Mhm.
Whitby, okay, Purple House, stick by Coach siya na yun. Three,
Yeah.
Tres Maria. I have three girls too.
You have three girls
Oh,
too,
yes.
yeah. Maswerte
So,
daw yan eh, pag tatlong
ayun.
babae.
Three gems yun. So, maswerte. And
Yeah,
then you have Cody na tumutulong na sa'yo sa business.
yeah,
Well,
yeah.
Coach, am I gonna see you on the convention? I hope to be there.
Oh, alam mo, I really wanted to go, but my oldest daughter, si Shay, she's graduating sa
Oh my gosh.
June.
Nag-graduate
Yeah,
na
and
siya.
I
Ang
really, I
bilis.
really, I know. I know. Alam mo, nakakatawa. Elementary lang siya nung nag-umpisa ako sa
Kaya
business
nga.
na to.
Kaya
And
malis. Oh my God.
you know me, nung nag-uumpisa ako, hindi ako marunong ng yung mga app-app na yan, yung mga paggawa-gawa ng mga post. Alam mo, siya yung tumulong sa akin. I think she was only grade
Oh my
6 or
God.
grade 7 that time. Siya yung tumutulong sa akin how to use Canva. Ngayon,
Really?
gagraduate
See?
na siya.
Gagraduate na siya.
Yeah, gagraduate
Nakakatawa
na siya sa
kasi
high
para
school.
kaming malaking family na parang yung nag-i-start, ang
Yeah,
liliit ngayon, gagraduate na. See? Oh my
I
goodness.
know. Yeah, so I cannot
Nakakatawa.
go.
It's
Conflict
okay,
sa
Coach.
kanyang graduation.
Marami pang pagkakataon. Yun, if I
I know.
visit
Next year
Toronto too,
ulit.
why not?
Yearly
Yes.
naman ng yearly naman ng convention. So,
Correct, correct. So thank you so
thank you
much, Coach,
din.
sa pag-accept mo ito. I know you're very busy and salamat. Always a
I cannot
pleasure.
say no to Coach Gaia. I cannot say no.
Thank you so much. And thank you sa
Thank
lahat
you
na
din.
nanonood. I cannot go to the, I'm really having a technical difficulty right now. Someone actually messaged me, naputol yung live, but I'm able to record it. And actually, I think it's still playing right now, if I'm not mistaken. Ay, naputol nga siya. But anyway, I had it recorded, so I can upload it. There's nothing I can do. Pagka ganyang may technical
Yeah.
difficulties, wala rin ako magawa, and hindi rin ako expert, but I'm
That's
happy
the
that I'm
real
on the.
world.
Yes. So I was able to record it. But yeah, thank you so much, Coach. And thank you to
Thank you
everyone who
din.
watched
It's
this.
my
If
pleasure.
watch this on replay, let me know. And I'm going to just upload it right there. Thank you so much. And thank you, everybody. God bless everyone. And please be the reason someone smiles today and every day. Thank you. God bless.